I'm Roger.Woodruff here in Junction City. Today at Guarantee we're going to get to look at a brand new 2020 Thor Aria 3902 diesel pusher. Brand new 2020. I'm so excited I get to show you this. Full body paint, owning quiet diesel generator up front. Great storage all along this coach. This one's actually set up, this compartment right here is actually set up for the little refrigerator freezer on a slide out. You can have it mounted in there or just use it as storage. This one has the pass-through storage tray. It goes in and out on either side. This one doesn't have the storage tray. That's going to give you room for a little bit longer stuff or taller stuff. Okay, this is our what we call our 3/4 tray. I mean, look at all that storage. Here's our water tank, 100 gallons of fresh water. We've got our chassis batteries here. If for some reason they go flat and you need to get it jump started, they're really easy to get to. This vehicle is set up with solar. Large inverter. It's already got the solar panels on the roof. Here's our solar charger right here. I love the solar on my coach. It's a wonderful thing to have. This coach is going to have the Cummins 360 horse engine. It's on the Freightliner raised rail chassis. That's how we got all that great storage. It's a 50 amp coach. We've got 4 golf cart or 6-volt batteries for the house. It's going to help that solar. It's going to help with the charging. It's going to give you a longer lifespan of using your electronics inside. Whole house water filter there. Black tank flush out. Get rid of that residual contamination in the black tank. Oops. And then the other side of that storage I was talking about earlier. And our large propane tank. Fill that up twice a year probably. It's the size I've got in my coach, and I love that size of tank. Let's go inside. This is gorgeous inside. Thor has done a really great job of building us a diesel pusher. So let's start in our cockpit area. This coach has a lever that will allow you to switch the lever and drop the whole coach down when you get set up where you are. Makes it easier to get in and out of it. It has the Allison 6-speed transmission. It has the automatic hydraulic leveling. It has the backup camera. It has the side camera. I love the nice clean dash lines. You don't have a big dash pod that's blocking half your view. You've got push button shades in the front instead of curtains. Above our cab area we do have an extra bed. You push a button, it drops down, and that's going to allow you to sleep a lot more people. In our living space we've got our 2 recliners that are directly across from the TV with a JBL soundbar. Great theater experience. I love the booth dinette. This booth dinette is huge. It makes a comfortable bed. It makes a comfortable place to enjoy your meals in the morning, the evening, the afternoon, whatever it is. We still have a sofa. We've got the 2 recliners, the big booth, and a sofa. We've got our fireplace here. This is an electric fireplace. It puts out about 16,000 BTUs of electric heat, or you can have it just for ambiance. I love saying ambiance. Over here in our kitchen area, big slide out, great drawers. Almost acts like a child's gate when you get this whole thing opened up. Solid surface countertops. The dull side makes a great cutting board. No one's going to see that it's all hacked up once you put it in place and you put the hack up stuff on the downside. Induction Cooktop. I love this thing here. It's so simple, but it's the little things that matter. Okay, 3 outlets right here where you're gonna need them, your coffee pot and stuff like that. Love the induction cooking. Use a magnet, find out what kind of pans will work for it. Okay, the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom in this rig is really quite beautiful. Okay, the shower is one-piece molded fiberglass. Easy to clean, easy to care for. It's got a place to sit down if you've just gone out and partied just a little bit too much the night before, or you just want to shave your legs. I stopped doing that years ago. Kept getting razor stubble. This is our water heater control. Okay, love this feature here. Okay, you set what you want your hot water to be. 80 degrees, 90 degrees, whatever it is. You don't have to mix hot and cold to get the right temperature. You program it, and that's what you get. Good sized bathroom. Dual doors. You can have it so that your guests don't have to go into your bedroom. And if you're needing to use the facilities tonight, you don't have to go into the living room. You don't have to get into other people's spaces. The floor on this is really a beautiful floor. We're already set up for it and have the washer dryer. Oh, I should have the lights on in here. Foolish me. Another nice little bit of storage. I apologize for not having the lights on. Would make this look a whole lot nicer. The head of the bed kicks up. You push a button. The head of the bed raises up. That's going to do 2 things. One, it's going to allow you to sit there and watch TV, read, or whatnot. Gives you a lot more floor space during the day, and it's straight across from the TV. Oops. Big closet in the back. Looks like we have a little bit of damage here, so I can't show you how big this storage is back here, but it's a very nice hanging closet for all your hanging goods and stuff while you're out enjoying the RV. Gosh, that's a quick overview of the 2020 3902 Aria by Thor. I'm Roger. If you have any questions about this rig or any others, give me a call. Thanks.